Hello everyone and welcome to Exploring Tech. Today I'm going to show you an app where you can trade and invest money, and I will show you how to use the app. If you go on the Google Play and just write down Meta, so here it comes, Meta Trader 4. As you can see, I have already downloaded the app, and I will open it and show you how you can make money. Here you can see I have different currencies where I can invest money on, and here are my quotes. The first currency I have is USD CAD. USD stand for American dollar, and CAD is for Canadian dollar. So here if I click on this one, you can see the app asks me if I want a new order, if I want to open chart. So I will first open the chart and see how the currency is going. Is it going up and down? Here you can see how the currency have been in last months or last days, and I will zoom it and show you if it's moving up and down. Yeah, the black one is telling that you can sell, and if you sell and if the currency is going down, then you will earn money. And if you click on the buy, and the white one graph is going up, then you will earn the money, of course. And I will go back on the quotes, and here I will show you some more things. Here I can click new order, and here the app asks me how much money I want to bet, and here I can actually put 0.02 or how much money I will put in the game. And of course it's market execution, and the more money I click on, the more I will win or I will lose. So be careful using this one. I always use it on 0.1 or 0.3 if you of course don't have so much experience. And here down you can see if you want to sell the if you want to sell the trade or if you want to buy. Of course you have to follow the graph, and then you can see if it is a buy or it is a sell. And here on the second one you can see here is here is our graph. And if you click on the graph, here it asks you if you want to see for 15 minutes M15 or M13 for 30 minutes or 1 hour. I have it on 1 hour. And here on the third one you can see the balance, and on the fourth you can see how much money you have invested in last days, if you have lost, if you have won the money. So of course I have had many losses because I'm in the learning period. Of course sometimes we make mistakes, but it is going to be going good, and we have to think for the best. And on the fifth one you will see that I think it's the fifth one. Here you can see news, how the market is going in the world. It is telling you about the world. It is the news. And of course guys, if you want to use this app, you have to be very careful, you have to be sure. And of course it's real money. If you can also open a demo account, and you can practice online. But of course if you don't have so much experience, I would not recommend using it, because or else you will just lose your money. So that's why it's very important to be careful. And I hope you like the idea of this app. And of course you can download it. It's for free, and you can start using it, but be careful using the app. And you can take online courses where you can learn to invest, to trade money. So I hope you like the video.